What's up guys, welcome to the new video on this channel. In this new video, I'm gonna explain you how you can install this new version of Jarvis from scratch, because unfortunately in the previous video, too many people had some troubles with the installation of Jarvis. So in this video, I'm gonna just explain you how we can fix those problems and how we can install Jarvis from scratch. So watch this video until the end to install this Jarvis properly, and I hope you won't have any problem with the installation of this Jarvis. So just let's skip the video and let me quickly explain you everything, how we can install this Jarvis from scratch, step-by-step guide. So first of all, you have to install a Python version in your computer to run this Jarvis model. I just recommend you to use this Python 3.12.7 version, because this is the best option for our Jarvis model. So just install this model, and then wait a second, just install this model, and then run this like this. And then I already have a Python in my computer, so I am just showing you how you can do that. So I'm just gonna upgrade now. You can just choose this install button directly. By the way, when you are installing this Python version, don't forget to click this add to path button when you installing this Python, because otherwise it's not gonna work. So after installing this Python in our computer, now we have to install a local large language model to use this Jarvis completely free and completely secure. So you can use LM Studio as well, but I'm going to show you how you can use large language model, local large language model with Ollama models. So go to this website. I'm going to give you everything in the description. And after going to this website, just install this Ollama according to your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'm just going to install Windows. And then just save it. And then it's gonna install this Ollama, but I already have this Ollama. So after installing this, you don't have to make any complicated settings. You just install this, and after completing this installation, open command prompt, and then just write Ollama list. Now I can see too many models in this section because I installed too many models. So you're gonna see nothing in this section when you write Ollama list, because you did not install any version, any local large language model. So now all you have to do, just install a large language model in your computer. To do this, for example, like this, I already installed this. So actually my computer spec is, I don't know, actually not too much advanced and not too much unadvanced. So I think Cuban 2.5 large language model is the best option for my computer, because I got RTX 3060 in my computer. So just choose a good large language model, because otherwise if you choose a big large language model, this Jarvis won't work properly. It's gonna give you slow responses. So just choose your large language model properly, because otherwise this Jarvis is not gonna work well. So after installing your large language model, just write Ollama list, and then leave this section, and then go to this GitHub link that I will give you in the description. And then just click this code section, and then click this download zip button, and then open this file explorer, and then extract all, and then go to VS Code. After doing this step, just open this extracted folder, and then this is too easy. Just click this actions folder and just press shift. Don't leave this button, just press shift, because too many people is not understanding this step. And then this is too easy, then click this ui.py file. All right, this is too easy, and then drag this This is too easy. How we can drag this is just click this and like that. That's it. Because everyone is telling me that you are not showing this properly. So all you have to do is just press, choose, drag. That's it. And after that, go to main.py file. All you have to do is just press F5 and then Python debugger and then Python file. And then after seeing this screen, just choose Whisper, choose base model, language. You can just write your own language. For example, if you are speaking Turkish, just write TR. If you are speaking, I don't know, English, just write this. But if you wanna speak multiple language like Japanese and every other language like that, just leave this as auto. And then we are using Ollama, but like I said, you can just use this LM Studio as well. So after doing this, all you have to do is just go to command prompt and choose a large language model that you want to use, and then copy this name and then paste in this section. If you, for example, leave this like this, then it won't work and it will give you some errors. So just make it correct. And then choose Kokoro because this is local. 11 Labs and HTTS are not local ones. This George is the one that sounds like real Jarvis, and then this fast is good because it's recommended. Then just run the system. And don't forget that when you are installing Jarvis for the first time, you have to use your internet connection, because if you don't have any internet connection in your computer, then it won't install this required libraries, this, I don't know, required some models from Hugging Face. So after running this Jarvis, by the way, you can interact with Jarvis just by typing. For example, what's up, Jarvis? If you just type.
All systems go. How can I assist you today?
That's it, dude. It's not too complicated. By the way, I cannot use this microphone because I just broke that. Open, let's say, GX. That's it. It's working.
Opened Opera GX.
It's working. You want my property, you can have it because I already made it open source. Just leave this cringe in other side and let's focus on the code again. Some people have troubles with this. For example, sound devices could not resolve. So to do that, all you have to do is just, for example, we are using 3.12 and let's say we got 3.11 in our computer. Just write this I 3.12 and pip install sound device. If you do this, then you will install this library in the 3.12 version of Python. So like that. This is the solution of this problem. By the way, if you, for example, if you just type your model name wrong, then this model is not gonna work if we run this. By the way, if you are still getting some errors and I don't know, problems, you can just tell me in the comment section and I can just show you in the shorts videos, but I don't think that you will get some errors. I don't think after this video, after this I don't know, update of this Jarvis, you won't have any problem with the installation of Jarvis and running this Jarvis.
Jarvis fully online. LLM encountered an error.
So you can see that we got this error. That means the large language model name is not correct. And you can see that there is no large language model name that is Cuban 2.5 and 7. You can see that. Oh, we accidentally wrote this wrong. So just go and fix this. You can just fix it in the API keys JSON, but you can also configure in this section, for example, like that. Then when you apply changes, you will see that you can just fix this thing. By the way, after watching this whole video, if you are still getting some errors, you can just tell me in the comment section and you can just join our WOP community. So this video was like that. See you in the next videos. Take care.